Now, when it comes to politics, we all have our own ideologies of what might be happening in the politics of our region, mostly the Mount Kenya region. Recently, many have spoken on Raila Odinga being a selfish person and being a person that only safeguards his own interest. After William Ruto approached him for a dialogue on the bipartisan talk, and Raila Odinga chose a team of five people that were to represent the Azimio la Umoja coalition in the bipartisan dialogue. And in this team that was chosen by Honorable Raila Odinga, there missed any representative from the Mount Kenya region. We all know that our leaders from the Mount Kenya region, led by Chairman, former Mungiki leader Maina Njenga, have been on the front line, have been harassed, arrested, detained, done all the humiliation they could face because they wanted to spearhead the agenda of Raila Odinga. But Raila Odinga did not consider putting any of them in the bipartisan dialogue team so that they would be negotiating the future of the people of Mount Kenya. But went ahead to choose these people from the Western region represented by Eugene Wamalwa. He chose the people from Mkambani represented by Kalonzo Musyoka, and he chose the people from his side, the Luo people represented by the leader of minority in parliament, the National Assembly represented by Opiyo Wandayi. Among all those, there was no leader from Mount Kenya. We all know we have had Jeremiah Kioni in the front line. We have had Martha Karua in the front line. We have had people like Mwangi wa Iria in the front line. Nderitu Mureithi, the former governor of Laikipia, in the front line, fighting the battle to see Raila Odinga at least get something from this government, as they said Raila Odinga had won the election. But when time came and there were signs that Raila might get something, he threw the people of Mount Kenya region under the bus. And now, the people of Mount Kenya region have been called on a secret meeting by the former Mungiki leader, Chairman Maina Njenga, referred to as the current kingpin of the Mount Kenya politics, taking it head on with Rigathi Gachagua. Maina Njenga called a meeting with his leaders, that is Martha Karua, Nderitu Mureithi, Peter Munya, Mwangi wa Iria, Martha Karua, Jeremiah Kioni, and they have organized on how they are going to counter Raila Odinga's betrayal and represent the people of Mount Kenya region as the opposition, because if they sit down, the people of Mount Kenya region are not going to get what this government had promised. And let me tell you, when it comes to people like Maina Njenga getting on crowd and planning an execution of political regime, then I tell you, Ruto and Gachagua must be very frightened, because this man is a genius. And he is not only a genius in politics, he's a talented man and a talented strategist. This is a guy that formed Mungiki, spearheaded Mungiki, guarded Mungiki, until Mungiki became a liberation movement that we saw and heard of before it became total chaos when he withdrew from Mungiki. So Maina Njenga is currently taking over, and I dare say that William Ruto and Rigathi Gachagua should be ready with another plan, and the plan should not be of arresting Maina Njenga, because they have exhausted those options. The options of arresting the chairman are out of consideration right now. What is your take? I want to hear your comments in regards towards this, because I have been looking at this thing in another dimension, and what I see as being thrown under the bus. If we don't have representatives from the opposition, let me tell you, it will be very bad for the people of Mount Kenya region. That's it for now. My name is Felix Mwenda, and this is FM Update Show on the Political Update. I'm your number one political strategist and political analyst in town. Call me Felix Mwenda.